asked to find the values of x and y in this diagram, and we were told that A, B, C, D are collinear. It looks like you had already found the value of x, but you were having trouble with y. So you knew that you were using special right triangles. So let's a special right triangle and a 30, 60, 90. If we let S be, this isn't drawn to scale, sorry. If S represents the length of the side opposite the 30-degree angle, then the side opposite the 60-degree angle is always S times the square root of 3, and the hypotenuse is 2 times S. So that's how you had figured out that X was 6, because 12...